This is Randy from Kunes RV in Green Bay, presenting to you today the 2021 Jayco Whitehawk 29BH bunkhouse travel trailer. In the front end, you have a front fiberglass cap and an automotive style windshield. Excellent for letting a little light in there when you want it. It's all these slam latch baggage doors, easier to use than the cheaper metal latches. Walking towards the back, you have an entrance right into the bedroom. Comes with the 17-inch Blackstone griddle, a tabletop that slides into your storage compartment, and also Goodyear tires, not the cheaper China brand. Goodyear endurance tires made in the US. The fold-down steps by MoRide. These fold right up into the doorway when you're not using them, and everything stores away there, and these are solid. And the back end of the trailer is an outside kitchen with a sink, hot and cold running water, small dorm-sized fridge, and then your J-port would actually connect your Blackstone griddle to that if you wanted to, or you could use it on the tabletop. The construction of the Whitehawk is one of the best in the industry. This is considered a Four Seasons camper, rated down from 0 degrees to 100 degrees. The sidewalls are vacuum bonded, laminated at the factory instead of being pinch rolled. The benefit to that is less likely to delaminate in the future, because there's 144 tons of pressure laminating those walls together for up to 16 to 18 minutes. Here's a look at the back end of the camper. Again, construction, one of the best in the industry. This is a laminated back wall. If you go up to some of the other competitors out there and push here, it flexes because they don't laminate it. They just hang the fiberglass, and it's only screwed in around the perimeter. And same thing with the end walls on the slide out. So this is a well-built trailer. You have a roof ladder to get up there for maintenance. All LED lights. Third brake light back there, also reverse lights. One of the only brands that actually puts a reverse light in there. Spare tire here. And on the outside kitchen, again, a little closer look. Sink, fridge, and counter space. Instead of wood or particle board countertops, you have metal. So if it gets wet, if it's raining out, it's not gonna swell up or delaminate there. Also on the back end of this camper, we have a backup camera prep, and on the sides of both of the sides, you have a side view camera prep. So you can purchase this extra monitor that goes in your dashboard to see behind you when you're driving down the road and on the sides of you. One of the biggest construction features of this is the strongest roof in the industry, 50% stronger than anybody else's out there. It's the Magnum truss roof system. They use larger nail plates, and it's just holds more weight and is better built than any other roof out there. Taking a look down the side of here, huge awning that actually covers the outside kitchen. One of the most usable awnings where the door and the outside kitchen's placed in the industry too. Here's a look at the inside of the 2021 Jayco Whitehawk 29BH. Standing in the kitchen here, you have a huge double bowl sink. Double bowl sink. Stainless steel, pretty deep compared to most other brands out there. The Furrion appliance package with the oven here, it actually has an ignite on the oven, where a lot of brands, you still have to light that by hand, just the oven. Also the igniters on the 3 burners. Huge 10 or 11 cubic foot 12 volt fridge, which will last a couple days on a single battery, fully charged. TV, IRV Technologies stereo system with outside speakers, and the electric only fireplace, which is really nice when you don't want to use your propane at the campsite. If it's 50 degrees out, this will heat the camper pretty good. Going into the slide out here, you have theater seats on this particular model. A trifold sleeper sofa is an option, but this one has the theater seats which recline. And huge thing that if you'd owned a camper in the past, even 6-7 years ago, everything had carpet in the slide out. This one has all linoleum, so no carpeting to vacuum up, just sweep and mop. Here's a look at the master bedroom with a queen walk-around bed. You have windows on both sides that open, and a door. Another storage for clothing. Okay, and to recap this camper that we're talking about today, the best warranty in the industry, 2 years front to back, and a 3-year limited structural warranty, where almost everybody else is a 1-year. Again, the 2021 Jayco Whitehawk 29BH travel trailer. Again, this is Randy from Kunes RV in Green Bay, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.